These 3 VS Code tips can save you hours. Watch till the end for one bonus tip that you'll wish you knew sooner. Tip number 1. I have a Next.js app running on localhost. Now hit F1, type simple browser, type in the localhost URL, and boom, preview your app without leaving the editor. Tip number 2. Go to extensions. Search Thunder Client. Select the extension with 5 million plus installs. Install it. Now in your sidebar, you will see this new Thunder Client icon. Click on it. Click on New Request. Paste the API URL and see the response. Tip number 3. You make changes in your file, but you manually type the command to add, commit, and push it. Why waste time typing git commands when VS Code does it for you? Click the source control icon. Add the files you want to stage. Type your commit message here. Hit commit and then publish or push your changes and watch your code fly to GitHub. No CLI needed. Finally, a bonus tip if you've watched till here. You have insane number of files and you are scrolling through files like a noob. Here's the secret to instantly find any file. Hit Command plus P, type the file name, and boom, you're there in 1 second. Not only that, if you hit Command plus P again, you can see the same file as recently opened, allowing quick access. Like, share, and subscribe if you want to watch more such tips and tutorial videos.